Today we've got orders from eBay, Depop, Vinted and one on Facebook Marketplace. The last picking orders video from this unit, but it's a good one. Welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. My name's George Ross. This is Retro Reselling, of course. We're back in the unit for the last time. Thursday today. This includes Tuesday PM and Wednesday orders. If you've been following the channel, you know I'm trying to spread my eggs in more baskets, not just rely on eBay and one other. And this is the perfect type of video to show how well that's actually going. I'm not just wasting my time, just listing, cross-listing wherever I want to, and just stuff sitting there, stuff's actually selling on other platforms. Of course, eBay is still my main income from reselling, but the others are coming up strong. Today we've got orders from eBay, Depop, Vinted and one on Facebook Marketplace. We'll start with eBay, of course. 8 to pick from the storage unit, that's already looking pretty empty. I've started to take stuff back to my unit at home already, so it's going to be a lot quieter. In fact, I might need to pop back home to get a couple of these orders. Let's start with a smaller sale. Got a Sony Handycam charger. When I buy video cameras, if there's spare chargers or spare batteries, basically any accessories that are spare, like they've doubled up, or if the camera doesn't work, I'll split it out. I think this was the case with this one. The camera, the main body didn't work, so I'll sell that for parts or spares, repairs, and I've split this out just at £8 plus postage, but it's just another £8 added to probably a £10 item that I bought. So the video camera, say it owes me 10, I can sell that for 20, even broken, that's another 8. The battery, that'll be another 10 to 15. It all adds up. Accessories, always sell. Cheap but quick. This is a really nice sale. I enjoyed this one. I only picked this up last week. Found this in a charity shop for £10. It's a Land's End like worker's coat, similar to what I'm wearing. Like a sort of tobacco brown, I call it. Like a stronger material. I think it's cotton, but it's like workwear, so it's stronger. Size large. Picked it up for £10 from the charity shop only last week. Listed on the weekend, I believe. Sold when I sent offers out to watchers, so it's a random amount. £42.49 plus £2.99 postage. That is an awesome return. Really quick as well, from the charity shop rail to me selling it for 40 odd quid. Yeah, perfect sale. This next item I got from a hand pick kilo sale, like vintage clothing, pay per the kilo. Pick each item, I think I worked out owes me about £12–13 was it? This is a Blackhawks like NHL ice hockey jumper. I'll put a picture here, there we go. That's what it looks like, it's already bagged up, ready to go. If it owes me about £12–13, doubling up at £23.99 plus postage. Not amazing, but I got some strong hitters. As you saw, I've got Dr. Martens sandals and shoes. They've sold really strong, they're going for £50 plus. Sold about 3 or 4 pairs of them already, so that's amazing profit. This is on the lower scale. I picked it up just because of the cool NHL sort of American theme that I like to pick up. Not as much profit as the last lot, but still money in my pocket. Another different way of picking up items is retail arbitrage. So this item I've got from a shop, a retail shop. Paid the price that they're asking, wasn't even on offer or anything like that. No clearance, literally what they were asking, and the lights have gone out. I just paid what they were asking and I've made a profit on it. Really nice looking thing. This is Ralph Lauren Home. Obviously brand new with tags. Ralph Lauren Home. It's like a brass goldy finish bankers type lamp. This is adjustable, so that extends and goes round. Yeah, nice looking thing. I believe this was $39.99 to me. Again, not on clearance, not on sale, just $39.99 in the shop, Ralph Lauren. And I've sold it on eBay, £80.99 plus postage of $6.99. It's a bigger, heavier, and this is always awkward. Shades are always awkward. But I've got nice big boxes, like big moving boxes, pad it out. That should get there nice and safe. Yeah, so just there's numerous amounts of opportunities to get stock while boot sales aren't on. Already I've got a boot sale pickup, charity shop pickup, like a kilo sale pickup and retail. There's many opportunities, not just relying on boot sales and charity shops. Just got to use your noodles sometimes. Back to charity shop pickups, and we've got this nice thermos, like vintage yellow mustard colour. This owes me literally £2, nice and cheap and cheerful. It's gone for £12 plus postage. Again, not a big hitter, but yeah, really nice thing. Owes me £2 while I was picking the girls up. There's literally a charity shop opposite the girls' school. So pop in there, it'd be rude not to. Yeah, so not bad, £12 while doing a job that I have to do anyway. This next one I've had for quite a long time, but it's finally sold. Got this nice vintage blazer. I think I got this back in April when the charity shops opened again for the first time. I turned 30 last year and I'd done 30 charity shops in one day for turning 30. I think this was the very first pickup, I believe, off the top of my head. I'm trying to remember. It owes me £5 from the charity shop. Took a while to sell. I listed it in July, so picked it up in April, listed in July, a bit of a delay there. But for £5, it sold for £19.99 plus postage. Yeah, bread and butter, not too bad. Probably wouldn't be in a rush to buy one again if it took that long and didn't sell as strongly as I originally thought, but again, still sold. Got a Sony DVD recorder now. Cheap and cheerful again, gone for £17.99. Owes me about a fiver, so not amazing again, but I'm in the mindset now. As soon as Christmas and New Year's out of the way, I'm looking at the boot sale season starting in March, and I want to get rid of any sort of slow items, deadwood, cut prices, accept offers. Plus I'm moving as well. There's less stuff I have to move on Saturday when I move, the easier it'll be. And this is one of them items. It's been lingering around. Wasn't anything too special. Not really sure why I picked it up, to be honest. Yeah, still, again, money in the account, ready to go again. Buy something a bit stronger next time. Just clean the shelves, ready to hit the boot sales hard again. So that's all my eBay sales. We're going to transfer to Vinted now. 2 Vinted sales. First one, charity shop pickup. If you saw my previous video before this one, you would have seen I picked up a Barber sort of mustard waterproof coat. How much did I pay for that? Was it £15? Something like that. We'll start off with probably the best one. Had to pay up £15 for it. But Barber waterproof women's jacket. Sold already on Vinted, 0 fees. It's all bagged up, ready to go. On Vinted, £50. No fees for me. How Vinted works is you name your price, you're not paying any fees as the seller. It's actually the buyer that sort of covers that side of it. They choose their postage label, so they've paid for the postage. You've just got to print it off and stick it on and send it. And then there is, I believe it's called buyer protection, and that's like the Vinted fee. That's how they make their money. Sort of protects the sale. If it goes missing or lost, then Vinted refunds them. So yeah, from 10, 15, wherever this was, to £50, no fees. Amazing, easy to post. Already done my bagging. Barber, quality item. It was in the right season as well, so it sold quick, sold strong. Yeah, brilliant sale. Listed with zip sale. And then the next one on Vinted, we've got a Burberry's cashmere jumper, like V-neck jumper. Yeah, Burberry's 100% pure cashmere, made in Scotland. This is from a charity shop, owes me £15. I was asking about 50, 60 quid on eBay. It's been on there for a few months now. It's starting to slow down. I was going to reduce the price anyway. Someone offered me 35 on Vinted. Again, no fees, just 35 to me once I've sent it out and it's got there safely. So obviously I've taken a lower price, but when it's 0 fees, I don't have to take that into account. Yeah, I'll take that. Nice 20 quid profit, easily done. Transferring to Depop now. Sold a Ralph Lauren, another sort of knitted jumper type thing. Here it is. Got another charity shop pickup, Ralph Lauren Sport. It's like sort of a chunkier knit, don't know if you can see that. So I'll put a picture here. Picked up recently, picked up about 3 or 4 weeks ago, listed last week, and it's already sold on Depop, which is a 10% flat fee, £30 plus postage. Nice little pickup there. I think this owes me about a fiver, £5 or £6. Nice markup there. Again, nice and light, easy to post, and sold on a different platform again. That's everything that's sold here, apart from one Facebook Marketplace pickup, which we'll do at the end. But I've got 2 to pick from my unit. I've already transferred my shoes and boots, so I'll see you in the unit in about 2 seconds. First couple of orders, picking from the new workshop. Go in this box here. Got these pair of M&S Autograph Brogue boots. These sold for £28.99 plus postage, just for M&S Autograph, which was really surprising. Thought I might get £18, £20. Got a bit more than that. These are actually from my dad, so these owe me absolutely nothing. Kindly donated from my father, so thanks for that, Dad. Plus £2.99 postage. Then the second pair that sold, we're going to the trainer box, which is down here. Air Max 200. Here they are. They're the ones. These actually sold on Depop, 40 quid, using zips out to cross list again. I can't remember where I got it from or what I paid. Possibly from my shoes and boots guy. From the boot sales, owe me about a tenner. Yeah, 10 into 40, awesome. Plus Depop fees. I think Depop fee is a flat 10%. Plus a transaction fee, like a small one. So probably cheaper to sell on Depop, which is awesome. Postage again, £2.99. And they are the first pickings from the workshop. Moving day in 2 days' time on Saturday. Exciting stuff. I'll see you back at the unit. Last sale of the video, and another platform, another selling platform, Facebook Marketplace, sold this Dyson, which is perfectly timed just before my move. It did have two big Dysons that I really wasn't looking forward to sending out. I think this owes me like 10 or 15 pounds from a boot sale. It's just the Animal DC50. Nice little unit. Yeah, I did have it listed on eBay for like 80 quid or something. No takers or lowball offers anyway. Plus the pain in the bum to pack it. So I listed it on Facebook for 60. Someone offered me 40. I wanted it out of the way before I move. So yeah, 40 quid in cash, no fees, pure profit. And they've just messaged me, they're here now. So let's deliver it to them. Yeah, I don't know if there's a plug socket over by the loading bay, if you did want to see it. Yeah, fine, yeah. Well, that went well. Lovely couple, bought it for their son who's just moved to Brighton. Oi, oi. Yeah, I brought them in just to show it working. They just wanted to see it working, which is fine. Also might have made a nice little contact as well. Apparently her mum died recently, they're clearing her house, and they've got some vintage hi-fi equipment, including Bang & Olufsen. And they only live around a corner as well, so they're going to send me pictures of stuff that they have. Obviously I showed them what I do. I don't usually bring people in here just because obviously safety, and it's my little cave area to keep to myself. So yeah, nice little bonus. 40 quid in cash for that Dyson from about 10-15. Nice profit, don't have to worry about packing it, and hopefully 2 or 3 more items to pick up to make, again, buy, sell, repeat, make more profit. So that was probably the last picking orders video. In fact, it is the last picking orders video from this unit. Here, I've taken all the posters down. I had all my Jurassic Park posters, calendar, bits and bobs. Like you saw earlier, brought back some big boxes to help with the move, like less to move. And again, when I go back home, when Amy picks me up in a bit at lunchtime, put a few more boxes in. Yeah, exciting stuff. Can't wait to save like the £380 every 4 weeks or £400 a month. Can't wait. That every time that went out, it was like a punch in the gut. But yeah, it was worth it. It's dry, safe, security. They take my deliveries. I've actually still got a unit. I can't remember if I already said that. Upstairs, I've got like a small one, so I can leave my business address as this big yellow self-storage address. And also they take my deliveries and just a bit extra if I've got something really expensive and high value. I don't really want to leave in my garden unit. I can leave it here in my small unit that only costs £27 every 4 weeks, which is a lot better. Right, so next time I pick up orders, I'll see you in my garden workshop. Exciting stuff. This has served me well, but it's time to move on. I'll see you there. See you later.